Alright, I'm on my wife's sewing table. Got me a new toy. It's a F or E Pieta. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Italian. It's a 1851 replica of the Colt Navy, I think, 36 caliber. This one is the Confederate version, and I've always liked these pistols ever since I saw the movie The Outlaw Josey Wales with Clint Eastwood. It's pretty cool. I like it. I don't even know how to use it. I've never fired a black powder pistol in my whole life, but I've always thought these were some cool looking pistols. But why get one when you can have two at twice the price? This one would be the Union revolver. So I now have the Confederate and the Union revolvers. They're both very cool looking pistols. I'm probably never going to fire them. I'll probably put them on over my fireplace. They're covered in preservative, so they're real oily. I don't know if I want to wipe that off or not. So this one is the Union. What does it say on there? I don't know. It says can't read it. I don't have my other glasses. Maybe I should just put my other glasses on. But this one's easy to read. It said, "These dead shall not have died in vain." And it's got the cool graphics on it and stuff. Brass receiver. And this one is polished steel, which is like why I really don't want to clean the preservative off. I don't want it getting rusted or anything. I'm not sure how to do that, but anyway, just thought I would share. I love these pistols. They are just awesome. I was supposed to get them Wednesday, and they showed up at my door today. Next Wednesday I was supposed to get them, so I got them quite a bit early, and I'm real happy about that. It was a nice surprise this morning. Anyway, just thought I'd share. Y'all have a good one.